What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use a hidden feature of Google Earth into a very simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to Google, type Google Earth, click into the first result, wait while the page loads, and choose a city into the search field right here, okay? In my case, I'm gonna choose New York City on USA. Here is New York City. Let's move it there. Oh yeah, here we go. So here we have Governor's Island. Amazing, right? Now, what is the hidden feature that I'm talking about? Into the upper left corner of your screen, you can see File, Edit, View, Add, Tools and Help. Click on View. Show Historical Imagery. What this is gonna do? We're gonna be able to change by clicking to this timeline and see the difference that we have into the city across the years. So we have an historical register of how the city was over the years. Can you see how the island changed? Let's go to amazing, right? But we can keep changing. Here is the last register we have. There is some pieces of design because there's no much to show, but we can still got some nice idea. This is perfect, for example, for a history classroom or to even understand how the city that you live in changed across the years. Amazing, right? And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.